There is going to be a mini update in eFootball. Both the server and the app will be updated on 9th April 2026, which is this coming Thursday. And now there are big buzz around this update. The countdown to 1 billion campaign will be there. And also there are speculations about Master League. So we'll go through all that. I'm Sally Woli talking to the eFootball gamers. Now, personally, I am much more excited for the countdown to 1 billion campaign because I don't have a box-to-box midfielder like Steven Gerrard. I'm hoping I could get him. But among the three that Konami showed, I don't know, maybe among the three that Konami showed, the Peruzzi, Ronaldinho, and Steven Gerrard, I admire Steven Gerrard the most. So if you want Ronaldinho or Peruzzi, I wish you all the best of luck. But I personally want Steven Gerrard. Now, around the Master League update, there are speculations that Master League will be back. But I think it will just remain a speculation because number one, marketing strategy and the marketing cost. If Konami will introduce Master League, most of the average and poor gamers will not play division game again. They will just go and play Master League. They will only leave people with the beast account and the pros to continue contesting among themselves, which will be which will kind of diminish the quality of the division matches. And also partnership and sponsorship. You can count the amount of teams that are in sport that have sponsorship deals with Konami. In Serie A, it's only Atalanta, AC Milan, and Inter Milan. In England, it's only Arsenal. In England, it's only Arsenal and Manchester United. If you go to La Liga, it's only Barcelona. So you end up playing with fake badges, and it's only if they will kind of broaden the thing or widen it so that it will introduce South American players because they have Angelic and League One. They have contract with all the League One teams and majority of the South American teams, either Brazil or Argentina, and also the Saudi League. So and the best players are not there. The best players are in Europe with Atletico Madrid, Real Madrid, Chelsea, of which Konami doesn't have contract or sponsorship deals with them. So I think it's going to be a bad move. The Master League will be lame because the top players, you know, won't have won't be measured because until you have contract with Konami, then that is when the Konami will you will enter into something like a box, and then the Konami will measure your strength, your pictures will be elite. Go and see Manchester United players now and Arsenal players. You see the way their strengths are more accurate. So I think the Master League will just remain a speculation. So what do you think, if football players? Let me know in the comments.